here for the summer. We got all the weave you want and all the wigs you want. We have it here all for you at Sheldeez. I mean, all the lengths, all the inches. I mean, this is the best place where you can come and get your weave and your wig. Just see this wig? Looking real. Sheldeez. Them here on our mannequin, we have a few now because they go by fast. You see, 1, 2, 3. We only have 2 left so far, but we have some more that we're about to put out. So we have some of our wigs here. We have Miss Sharon right here, you know, that do her thing. Miss Sharon, tell them what you do, girl. You know what I do? I make it go 2, 4, 6, 8. We are 58. Right now, she's going in virgin hair, some custom color. I know, Jello, did you show them the weaves and wigs? We got deep wave. We got deep curl, body wave, straight. Yes. Wigs, yes. 12, 14, yes. 16, 20 inch. Yes. Because all your hair needs is Sheldeez. All your hair needs, baby, is at Sheldeez for the summer. If you ain't coming to Sheldeez, girl, you ain't going nowhere. And boys. So hi, girl, summer. So here we go. These are final results. Just twirl you around. We got custom color on virgin hair, 18, 16, 14. Let's go.
All right, we're good to go. Today we are here with Erica Robertson. Erica just got her crochet hair done by Josephine. So Erica, how do you like your style today?
Actually, I really love my style today. I've been coming to Sheldeez since about 2005 when I moved to this area. Well, I think it's twofold. Number one, you're supporting a locally owned business that's woman-owned, small business, and I think that's fantastic because you're putting money back into the community. Number two, obviously, I've been through various style transitions, whether it's relaxed hair or natural hair, and Sheldeez has always been able to give me healthy hair options to accommodate whatever style I wanted.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Erica. Have a great day.
You too.